Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are brand new, welcome. It's so great to see you. I have taken a very long hiatus in between graduating from graduate school with my master's in speech language pathology, woohoo! And I went to New York for several weeks to visit family, get excited about graduation. Things were starting to open up. Lots of new things are now available because so many people are getting vaccinated. So that was really exciting and wonderful to be home. I am back in North Carolina, my real home, and it is really exciting just to be back and to look ahead. I do have lots of new things, and you're going to be seeing a lot of new videos from me coming forward. So first things first, I got an incredible affiliate package from Charlotte's Paper Company right around the time when I left for New York. So I wasn't able to film that video, but I'm doing it now. I also have a second new package to show everybody, and that video will be published on June 15th. Tuesday. So look for that as well. All right, let's get started. So this first package is currently available on the website. You can buy all of these sheets individually or the kits as needed, but I'm just going to go through them. And the title of this collection is the Minimal Collection, which I think is very apt for what we're all going through right now. We all kind of need to refresh and reset everything that's happening, so let's get into it. The first kit, this is the Minimal Home. This is a 4-page kit with additional options to buy more full boxes and check boxes. But I just love the colors and the art. These colors are going to appear over and over again, which is so great because sometimes you fall in love with a color scheme and you wish you could reuse it over and over again, and that's what I think this shop does really, really well. But let's get into it. So this is the artwork, and then the second page comes with some sidebar checklist stuff, some flags, icons, and some glitter weekend banner and glitter flags here. This is all of these kits always come with a full set of numbers, which is fantastic, along with weeklies, and this is really beautiful washi. I love this color, this golden mustard color. And then these are the glitter headers. You can track all of your meals. I watch more TV than this, but this is a very solid kit. Whenever I use one of these kits, I end up using almost all of the stickers. And what I don't use, I save because these will always come in handy. This font actually goes with a surprising number of different styles of kits. It's very scripty, but it's also kind of modern, so it really does go with a bunch of things. So that is the Minimal Home Kit. So the 4-page kit is $10. Again, here we go. So here's another one. This is called Minimal Coffee. I love coffee kits because everyone drinks coffee year-round. Yes, she is wearing like a seasonal dress, but you could probably use this kit anytime. Same with actually all of these kits. You can probably use it any time of year, which is great to have some every week kits. Again, you have this really pretty sidebar checklist things with more functionals. I do love these colors. They're very muted. The pink actually pops off the page a little bit more than it's showing here, but this is very nice. I like the choice of putting a slightly different colored font so that it shows up better in the coffee cup. I think that's very, very smart. Or it's the same color and this is just an optical illusion. Who knows? And then here we go again. We have these beautiful glitter headers and the clay colors here. Now, I just want to show you something. If you look at the glitter headers for this kit, you could use these glitter headers in this kit and it would still work, which I think is very cool. So when these collections come out, you can mix and match the things to go with them super easily, which I think is very, very smart. Okay, so we've done these two kits. This one is called, let's look at the official name for it. This is the Minimal Summer. That's very apt, isn't it? Minimal Summer. It's a very beachy, vacation-themed kit. I would definitely use this in the summertime. But I guess if you live in a hotter place like Florida, you could probably, or California, you could probably use it anytime. These are really pretty. I'm just going to zoom in. It is raining outside, so my light is a little funny, so I apologize. But these colors are not faded at all. They're very vibrant pastels, so they look great. This is pretty. I love the palm fronds on the bottom here, and then this beautiful seascape. These are really, really gorgeous. This would look really great with any foil material overlays. I would probably pick silver, but I could see gold or rose gold even working for this. I love these peaches mixed in with the sand colored grays. It looks really great. Okay, so this is Minimal Beach. So those are the three kits that I was sent. Minimal Coffee, Minimal Beach, Minimal Summer, Minimal Summer, and then this one is Minimal Home. There are a couple of other ones, including Boho Living, Minimal Office, and Minimal Cactus, so take a look out for those as well. In addition to these kits, I was also given foil overlays. These are fantastic. There are a bunch of different quote foil overlays available in the shop, and I love these because the quality of the foil is really, really good, and they're clear, and they don't specifically go with any one kit, which means you can use them in a variety of ways. So this one, I absolutely love this one. This one is called My New Life. And so here you can see this one is silver foil. And I like that there are different but compatible fonts all together. So you can use this in 1 week. You can use this over a series of weeks and just use it for like your title quote box here. But I love this, and I love the theme of this. This is very apt for me right now. The other one that's apt for me that also happens to be in silver, which is my favorite foil. This one is called Refresh and Reset, which is very appropriate for this time of year. I think you could probably use this any time of year. I like to do a mid-year refresh and reset anyway. They don't go with any one specific kit, so you can really use them with any of these kits in our shop. All right, and so last but not least, with any collection release, there's always some functional sheets. These can be purchased individually or purchased as a set. And I kind of love them as a set because then you get everything at once. And whether or not you choose to use all the functionals all the time, I think this is a very versatile palette that you can use with different, in different times of year even. It's very beachy, but it's also kind of classy nudes. So this would, like this color, you can definitely use in the fall as well, or even winter with some of these cooler hues. So I think this is a very smart functional set to get, just to have on hand. All right, so we'll go through all of these. So these are the work sheets, which I will definitely need once I start my new job. Hooray! So same thing as the work, but this says class. I used these a lot when I was in graduate school. I will find a way to use them in my new job. I think I'll figure out a way to do it, but very handy to have. These are some square half boxes, and then to complement those, these are the square round boxes. Then you've got a series of quarter sheets, quarter boxes here, lots and lots of them. Oh, I'm sorry. These are quarter boxes. I never remember what these are. These are skinny boxes. Okay, they're skinny. So skinny boxes, quarter boxes. There we go. Let's get it right. Sorry about that. Then you've got a full checklist. These fit perfectly into an entire window. These are also great if you want to cut them. I like how they're variegated, but you can cut them as needed. So if you only have 4 things that you want to do, you can just cut right here and you have a full skinny box to use. These are weekly checklists. These are fantastic to have. I like having multiples of them. Some really great clean weekend banners. These are nice and big, so they will span over the course of 2 days. And they're actually really easy to take off the page. I find with weekend stickers, because of the way the word loops around, these can be tricky in some other shops to get off the sticker page, but not with this shop. They come right off clean. It's very easy. Then we've got some additional date covers and even more numbers. So this is 3 weeks worth of date covers, which is really great. These are really good if you buy the glossy kits because, oh no, the glossy kits do have the weekly date covers. There are lots of opportunities to use these, especially if, let's say, you don't want to use the images that come with the kit and you want something that's much easier to read. Sometimes those can be harder to read, so these are really, really easy to use. And then these are, I just want to make sure I get the name of these correct. These are teardrop page flag reminders. So these actually look like, what is that brand called? I have one of their planners. It's not a real, it's a goal setting planner. I'll have to put it down here. It'll show up right here, like, Bridget forgot her stuff. Anyway, they use a lot of these shaped flags a lot. So this is actually really interesting. If you're using both systems and you want to combine them together, this is a great way to do that. The teardrops are really nice because they don't take up too much room, but they still accent like, please do this and don't forget to do this. Okay, and then last but not least, this is the glitter headers, which again complement the kits that you can buy in the shop. But if you like a specific color and you just want to have more of them, these are great. There are 7, so they can go all the way across any of these boxes. All right, and actually, so for the new Erin Condren 2021-2022 Life Planner, and I can show you in another video. So in this life planner, there's only header notifications at the top. In the new life planner, there are headers on each row. That's right. These are columns, these are rows. Got it. So there are headers on each row, and what you really, so it will make it a lot easier to use decorative headers on every single row if that's your fancy. So these will definitely be easier to use in a newer Erin Condren. Or you can also get the Charlotte's Paper Company planner, which you can find on the website. There is a monthly version and a weekly version. Both are available with interchangeable cover options. So those are great. So again, all of these pages together, I'll just lay them out. This is the minimalist, the minimal collection from Charlotte's Paper Company. These are available right now on the website, so go ahead and take a look. And if you're interested in getting any of these, I will have links, affiliate links down below, so that you can purchase them more easily. But anyway, great. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.